Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Okay, it's look perfect. Let's try to create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide we are going to change the background. For the background we are going to use one of these colors. You can use more colors and custom the colors you want, but we are going to use one of these colors. For now let's go with this pink. It's kinda, I don't know how to say everything about it, but it's kind of weird. After that, let's apply it to all. Then change the color of this thing by more color here. You see, we use this pink. Okay, it's good. Now we need to create 3 of them. How to create that? We increase it in size and this size also. And then after increasing it in size, we need to do something. We need to create 2 circle, 1, and create another one. Okay, then select both of them, make them onion, and then select the 3. And you can use fragment, then delete the part we don't need. Okay, it's good. Now we just need to create 3 copy of that. 1, 2, 3. Select all 3 of them, go to shape format, align center, align middle. Okay, it's good. Now we are going to decrease the size to this size and then this size. Okay, the size is created. We need to color them up. For the coloring, let's go with this. And okay, it's good. Now we select all of them, go to shadows, and before that we need to, in shape format, delete the shape outline, then give them some inner shadows to this perfect shape to create. Now we just simply copy the text. The text is some easy text. We use overdrive sunset at the front. After that we copy this slide, increase the last one, increase the last part size like this. Now here we cut this and copy the paste and text we have pasted here. Now here we need to do something more important. We need to select this and this and go here and bring them to front. Bring to front, copy that, increase its size, copy the text, recolor the text, and then here select this and go here, bring to front, then copy that, increase the size, copy the last text, and align this center. Everything is cool. Now set the transition to morph. Now let's the magic append. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, you may find many similar videos to this in my channel. Until then, have a nice time.